Good.
Here, I see a light on. Not that light, I see a red light on.
There we go.
There we go. What do you think we got? Oh shit, it's garbage. Everything is shrunk. Look how much it shrunk.
How much?
I think we got about a tenth or so, like I figured. Yeah. About what I figured we'd do. Okay, nice and loose. That's what we wanted, right?
That's what I want. Loose is fast, you always say.
My bike it is. Where to put that? Okay, now I gotta figure out how good it is. We've been doing some blasting, cleaning, a lot of both. I redid the cages. I took them all out, blasted them, and put them back on. You idea where your washers are at?
Which ones?
The ones that go with this and the clip. Ah. The ones that are over here hidden. I didn't clean these. I'm clean these. They're clean now.
Beautiful. How do you do it?
Those go on there. That goes on there. Like that. It went on. It's a good sign. Got some clearance. Not much. Not a race bike. Alright. I'm good with that. You good with that?
I am.
I'm gonna have to do that. That's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
What are you laughing at?
Nothing, sir.
Statement of fact.
Yep.
We gotta watch closely because we gotta do this on that other motor. It's the same thing.
Dirty.
What am I doing? Keep seeing my oily rag. Okay, is this a new one? New
I
enough.
don't think so.
It's new enough.
Okay.
I could say it's new to this one, but it's the one that came off it, so. It's been tested, so we know it's good. And they're tight. Yep, goes in there. It rotates around. It's already in the groove. Groovy. Now for the fun part. Okay. So, we're done with this for now. Put it over in the filthy area. I'm going to move on to important parts. Did we ever find the washers that go in here yet?
No.
Where are they at?
Maybe about 500 miles away.
Do you think you have them? Right now we don't have them.
Don't have them here, apparently.
I guarantee you we don't have them here.
Because you looked.
I haven't seen them yet, and I need them. You haven't said you had them yet. Okay, here's our clearance. We can actually check this now. Here's the clearance.
Yep.
I need to get at least 2 thou. push down and go front to back, not wobble. See, this is easy to do. We're going front to back or side to side. They both have a little clearance in them. Rotate everything. Next problem is what kind of cam is this? This is
An
a
A2,
cam.
or
This is a cam that's going to hit that gear. So this gear has to be cut to clear the gear. Or you got to cut the lobe off. It's this lobe here that hits.
You gotta take it out.
Do what?
Take it out and put it in. Put it in first. Put the cam in first.
Yeah, well, you have to cut the teeth away because it hits the lobe. Big cam. Goes boom, boom.
I didn't know that was part of the deal.
Well, it doesn't have to be.
I think you just throw it in.
It's only if you want to go in there.
Ah.
See the lobe right there? So when it goes around, it hits a clunk right in this area right here. And right now it's working because the cam's free to bounce around, but when you put it together, it does not hit. It hits on the end of that lobe right there.
So you knew that was coming.
Yep. Well, I didn't think about it, but I know it's coming. To me, it's just like a normal thing to do. But
Yeah.
some people don't want to cut their parts all up. So,
Have at it.
but we don't have all the parts to put in here to check it correctly because you didn't bring all them over. Mysteriously. Where are my parts? Do I have mine? Did I find anything on my bike yet either? We got the same problem. There's so many stuff I was looking for. I have the same problem, but see me, I got brand new ones. So. See, I can't prepare for my bike. I just went up there and got brand new ones. So I couldn't find any used ones. Okay, that's one. Still need one more. I think they're upstairs. Yeah, they're upstairs. They're not here. The keys here. Do we have any? Oh, we got one over here. Stole one from him. This might be too big though, we don't know. Yeah, look at that. It clears now. It's not hitting on the case anymore. It's amazing how that works. Okay, where's your cover? Gasket. Grab me some cam cover screws. Gasket. Where's your breather? A breather around here?
It's probably over there. It's not over there.
No, right here. No, I cleaned it.
Is it?
No, it's this thing here. Yeah, that's a breather, but it's not the one for this part. It fits. Do you have a washer for there?
Look in our bag.
Is there a breather washer over there? Asking all these technical questions. Parts to mock up a motor.
Yeah, I don't see one.
Probably don't have one then. You know, some of the stuff was on the motor and you took it apart.
Let's dump that bag out and see what's in it.
That goes on this one. Look at that. Almost like it fits in there and everything. We don't know what thrust washer you need. That's a pretty thick one. We know this fits tight. One like that. So we have to fit the bushing for this. It's fitting on the better, though. More time to put on and off. Okay, where's your spacers at? Here. So we have no washer for this that we know of.
Let's see, we got a file over here.
I grabbed what I saw that looked like it might fit, but yeah, you don't have it. Yeah, you need one that goes on here. Check our
Pretty
inventory.
small.
Well, it's about this big around.
With a small hole.
With a small hole.
And it's steel.
It's steel. Probably black, because everything else in the motor is black. Clean oil. Cop bikes don't clean oil, I guess.
It's not.
Extra one's upstairs. That helps.
There wasn't very many of the early ones. There's a couple, but not many. He should have his own somewhere. Just one less thing we can check 100% because we don't have all the parts. I think the same guy hit that in the same spot. Went on pretty hard, it's kind of fun to get it off. It'd be really fun to get off. Oh well. Way up in the air on this side. Shouldn't be that hard to get out. Really tight on those dowels.
Will one of these work to check it?
Yeah, we know what size it was. It wasn't already in.
Sorry.
Grab the caliper, measure it. We get a 110, 115. Would be a guess. Definitely under 120.
Oh, this one's 16.
There you go.
And 116.
I think 116 must be stock.
Yeah.
We'll have to put that in next time. Okay. Okay, these rotate. That means they're not tight. It's got in-play in it. Now when you put the snap rings in there, a lot of times the cover pushes against the snap ring and locks up the gear. So we have to actually put the snap rings in there to check it for real. But initially we have in-play, you can hear it.
Mm-hmm.
But see, there's not a lot of in-play there, and the snap ring's pretty thick. So snap rings are about 30 thou thick, and that can probably sound like 30. But it might fit, we don't know yet.